Hello guys, welcome back to another video, where today, this is a crazy video. Today I'm going to be exploiting in Murder Mystery 2. Yes, that's right, you see I have a little admin bar up there. I've learned how to, well no I haven't learned, well really. I downloaded an exploit and watched the tutorial on how to use it. But like, I've never ever exploited before. Usually I do glitches and stuff, and like one time I used to bypass audio. Let me just explain what I mean for a second. You all will be pretty surprised. So just like, watch this. Kaplow, no clipped. For some reason, Murder Mystery is really weird. Yeah, which is weird. See, like I'm flying. See, this is an unfair advantage. Why can't I do this? This is not good. I mean, I'm not complaining. I have an unfair advantage, which is always good. But yeah, so I have a couple nice commands. So yeah. No, dang it. Okay, there we go. No clip. This is like incredibly unfair. Unfly. Clip. Oh gosh. No clip. Fly. Clip. Okay guys, yeah, see, I can just like, no clip. Sometimes I don't feel like, playing by the rules. Hey little wimps, oh yeah. What's in this ambulance? Murder mystery exposed. But yeah, who knew I could exploit? This is like weird. Like, I mean, when I first got the exploit, imagine how excited I was, because like, I've never exploited before a day in my life. I just felt like I had to make a video on this, which I pretty much do because I got the exploit. Yeah, oh god, someone died. I'll make the murderer think they got them to eat, and then they're going to be really confused. Oh, there's the map. Fly. Fly. Boom. They're all probably so confused. Okay, yep. So, yeah, this is like the weirdest. Wait, watch this. Oh, wait. Oops, clip. No. Unfly. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. So yeah guys, this is like the weirdest video I've ever made. Watch this. Bang CJ. Oh yeah, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Bang. Yeah, for some reason, oh god, people are dying. For some reason, Murder Mystery, like, it's really easy to exploit. Also, Jailbreak, I exploited it, and for some reason, Jailbreak thinks, like, that it's not bad to exploit. Like, I flew, and it just kicked me. Like, literally only kicked me. Didn't ban me. But yeah. I'm a scat man. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. But I don't exploit when I play games, because that's just really me. I don't want to be one of those people that can only play Roblox and exploit. Like, those are the worst types of people. Yeah. So yeah, this game's really fun, so I don't want to ruin it completely. I mean, I don't really play Murder Mystery that much. Fly. Clip. And also, like, it's really weird how it can just, like, automatically attach to my Roblox game. Which, you know, that's pretty weird. Like, how does it automatically attach? Also, this is virus free. I mean, like, technically it's a virus, but, like, all it does is insert its files into my files, but it's not like it spams me with ads. It doesn't slow my computer down. My computer's always been this slow. And yeah, this is my first ever time exploiting. Ever. No clip. Dang it, so on. No clip. Me 50. Speed me 50. Why can't I walk? Fly. I should probably clip. But yeah, that's literally just an exploit. Like, this is like pretty, like, major exploits. Imagine what I do as the murderer. Oh my gosh, that would be so overpowered. I'm a Scott man. No. What's wrong? Watch this. Oh god, don't lie. Ooh. I was showing off my exploits. Just gotta skip my way through the whole game. Yo, these exploits are awesome though. I can't believe I have working exploits for once. Guess who's here? Oh god, that's scary. Like, this is a total advantage. Yeah, I walked in something. Oh, I always wanted to be out here. Nicholas, it's Stalker. What if I just clip? Oh god. Oh god, I fell. Bang. Q underscore. Bang. God. No clip. I'm a little rascal. Oh, 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 wait, what, wait. See this? I think I'm... Yay! Yay, he died. Whoa. Clip. Man. Oh, by the way, like, this isn't just the only exploits, like, there's more, but also, this isn't all, like, I just gave myself admin, like, a different type of admin here. It's not like I can gear myself. Watch, fling Q underscore. Okay. Okay, it didn't work. Yeah, the fling command is broken. Unfling. I mean, it's not broken, like, it's always been like this. It's not like it just broke. Okay. No clip. You already know how it is. Well, guys, I think I've done enough exploiting. See y'all in the next video. Goodbye.